Hello everyone, welcome to Great Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please subscribe my channel, or if you have already subscribed me, thank you so very much for subscribing to me, liking my content. Okay, in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is urgent message from spirit. So what your spirit guide angels want you to know right now. Okay, so I have channeled a message for you guys. I have meditated and I received these messages. So, and these are the words that I got for you guys. For group number 1, I got this hope word, okay, for you guys while meditating. Yeah, I took a lot of time to do this video actually. So yeah, so this was group number 1, it's hope. For group number 2, it's green color, it's like value. And for group number 3, it's shine. So close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, and then select. You can go with colors, you can go with the words, okay? Just select intuitively, okay? So yeah, so the timestamps will be in the description box. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And yeah, so hope, value, shine. Take your time, guys, and I will see you with hope. Group 1, if you chose this envelope with hope written on it, this is the channeled message. I have meditated and I got this message. I will read it out later. So let's see, what is your urgent message from spirit? These I have already shuffled your cards, so let's see what is your urgent message from spirit, what spirit wants you to know right now. Okay, so the first card over here is prayers. Okay, with this prayers card, I feel like you have been praying, you have been desiring, you have been wanting things. So spirit wants you to know that they are listening to you. They have listened, they have recognized your prayers. Okay, your prayers will be your wishes will be granted. Okay, it will appear at the divine timing, but you need to be hopeful. Okay, don't lose hope. So if you desire something, if you feel like you want to achieve something in your life, be hopeful, keep on working on it, be hopeful. Your prayers will be answered at the correct timing. I'm getting at the divine timing. Don't be too caught up about the time. That is what I feel like for you guys. Your prayers are being heard. Okay, spirit guides, your angels have heard your prayers. You will get it. Don't worry, be hopeful about it. That is what I feel. The word I got for you guys is hope. So yeah, that is what I feel like. Yeah. The next card out here is supreme protection, and we got the green color also. I feel like the green, you know, you're healing your heart, you're healing your past, you're moving forward. Okay, so for many of you, you have gone through some sort of things in the past. You're healing that and moving forward. So yes, you are protected. Your spirit guides, your angels, green Tara is here to say to you that maybe she is one of your spirit guide who is helping you. Okay, she's I feel like that vibe. Green Tara is helping you to cut the codes. I feel for many of you, you are out of your past, you're not in there. Okay, so all you need to is forgive yourself. Okay, if you have done any mistakes, forgive yourself, forgive the people, and move forward. Okay, and be hopeful for the future. Be hopeful for the future, and remember, you're protected. For many of you, you are getting a clear vision, you're getting a lot of clarity. For many of you, you might be like some things you will, for example, you will be cooking and you will realize, you will get this sudden realization while doing certain things, and you will know why things happened in the past. You will know. That is what I'm getting. You will get clarity. Your vision is going to be very, very clear. If certain things didn't work out the way you wanted, you will get answers why they didn't work out. Spirit is saying it didn't work out for a reason. It was for your benefit. Okay, you will get the answers. That is what I feel like. Okay, look, move beyond limitation, trust. All you need to is to be hopeful, to trust, to keep on moving forward. Spirit is listening to you. They are with you, everything will be okay. Okay, if it's not okay, it's not the end. Remember that. That is what I feel for you guys. And focus on your spirituality. If you can meditate, I feel if you I feel this pile prays a lot, just do that then. Okay, your prayers will be answered, are recognized. Your prayers are being recognized. Remember that. Be hopeful. Okay, the next is like 8. Oh, emotional withdrawal and positive movement forward. Yes, look at that 8 number, and we have this green color also. So I feel financial growth for you guys. Spirit wants you to know that if you have been working on your finances, if you have been working on building your business, if you have been working on your passion or whatever, move away from the fear. Be hopeful, right? This person is praying, like he's meditating. I feel like that. So be hopeful for the future. Like, get out of your head. Get out, okay? Believe, because things are moving forward for you guys. With this 8 and 8, you might be seeing 888. 8 is like a number of abundance, prosperity, right? So that is what is coming into your life. So be hopeful. You can achieve that. You can build your business. You can move forward in your career. Okay, you can move forward. If you want to travel, you will be able to travel. If you have been praying for something like so sincerely, yes, you will get it. You're gonna get that abundance. The sun is rising for you guys. Rise up. You rise up. Okay. Yeah, get out of a situation that is not helping you. Maybe it is your overthinking. So just go to you look at the water. Trust your intuition. You know that things are going to be good. Yes, believe in it. Be hopeful. Everything will be okay. Okay, you are gonna move forward. You're not gonna come back. Okay, for some of you, it's like you're thinking whether I'll be in the same situation as I was in the past, whether I'll fail. No, you will not. You are gonna move forward. Get out of that overthinking. Get out of that mentality that you will fail or something like that. Just get out. Leave that situation. Leave your past. Nothing is there in the past. Don't go back there. You will never be in that situation again. You're gonna move forward. Positivity is, look at positive movement forward. So you are gonna move forward in your life that will make you happy, give you success. If you had travel plans, if you couldn't travel, you will be able to. If you want to relocate, in the past you were not able to do it, you will be able to do it. Okay, your prayers are going to be answered and you will be secure, stable. You will be able to do what you want to do. Okay, that is what your spirit. Letting go, again, you need to let go of something here. That is what is very strong. Look, the same cards, 2 different decks. Letting go, moving away from the things that is not helping you in any way. It can be your limited belief, it can be your past, in your past you failed and you're overthinking about it. It can be that. It can be your limited belief. It can be like, oh no, I cannot do this, I'm not capable. That kind of mentality, you need to come out of that. It can be like changing a pattern. It can be like changing your pattern, like if you don't wake up early in the morning, maybe you need to wake up early in the morning. So some change of habits is also needed. And of course, letting go of your past and moving forward. Look, the card is like, again, 8 of Cups energy is strong for you guys. So it's like moving away from a situation that is not helping you and moving forward where you will get the happiness. So don't be stuck in a situation that is not helping you. If it is a person, if it's a job, if it's your own thinking, whatever it is, okay, you need to move away from it. And remember, you will be protected. Okay, so just keep moving forward and don't think of your past. There is nothing in your past. That is what spirit wants you to know, that right? Again, possibility. There's so much more than you see. The eagle can see. The eagle has so much of view, right? You are not able to see the potential you have in yourself. That's why you're hanging on to your past, or you're thinking that if I leave this, I will not be able to make it. Maybe you need to change career and you're like, no, I cannot change it right now. Even though I don't like this job, I have to stay because the thing that I want in my life will not give me security or stability. You're not seeing the whole vision. That is what, there is so much possibilities, right? Look at the sun rising. Here also I told you the sun is going to shine, right? So with this eagle, the spirit is saying there's so much possibility. You are restricting yourself. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, so for some of you, you need to get out of your procrastination, guys. I have to say this with this laziness card, but of course your prayers are going to answer, and this is like 9 of Cups energy, so definitely some wishes are gonna get fulfilled. Spirit is saying to me that all you need to do right now is to leave something behind that is like it can be an overthinking or something, or some person, some idea that is not working for you. Okay, you need to get out and don't procrastinate, guys. That is also, it's an urgent message. You need to get out, do your work. If you want to pass an exam, you need to put the effort, right? If you need to get a new job, you need to put that effort. You need to go for interviews, right? You need to apply for jobs. So that is what I feel like. There are so much possibilities, but you're not seeing, you're just seeing at one point, oh, maybe you lost something in the past and you're like, oh, I didn't get that, I didn't do. Stop focusing on that. Instead, there's so much more for you, guys. Remember that. Yeah, it's time to receive. You will receive. I feel for some of you it's a good news that you will receive soon. I feel like intuitively you know it. For some of you, it's like intuitively you know that something good is going to happen. Believe in it. I feel like that. Be hopeful about it. It's going to come. And for others, I feel your intuition is going to be very strong. Okay. And look at the water element. Your intuition is getting better. I feel like that. So if you're thinking something very if you have that, yeah, I will make it happen, or if you have that intuition strong, yeah, that is gonna come soon. Some good news, I feel like, for you guys. Spirit is saying, wait, you're gonna receive a good news soon. That is what I feel. Guilt, yeah, you need to get out of it. You might have failed in the past. Get out of your head and just move forward. Let go your past beliefs, your past failures. Just keep on moving forward, because the only one who can stop you from achieving your goals is yourself. So don't get in your way. Don't be in this guilt form, or don't play this, oh, I'll never pass, or don't play that victim card or anything like that. Just keep moving forward. Believe in yourself and be courageously move forward. Yeah, surrender. Right now it's time to surrender to the divine. Give it to the divine. You don't have to know things like how this will pan out, how I'll do this, how things will work out. You don't have to think about anything. All you need to do is put your work and keep moving forward and be hopeful. That's it. And let your past out. Don't think about it. Okay. All you need to do right now is surrender to the divine. Give it to the divine. Give all your worries to the universe. All you need to do is your work. Rather than worrying, give the worries to the universe. Okay. That is what I'm getting. Harmony returns even after wrenching loss. Okay, definitely for this pile you have lost something, right? With this 8 of Cups, letting go, you need to let go of that. Okay, for some of you are sticking, why this happened, why I lost this. No, you need to get out of that, because maybe that thing was not for you, was not meant for you. Okay, because there is something more for you, something good for you. Okay, you will get it. Okay, harmony returns even after wrenching loss. So you have lost something, but if you have lost a job, you are gonna get a good job. Or if you have lost someone, you will be able to recover from it. Okay, because there will be harmony. You will be able to recover it. You are strong. Okay, take time out for fun. Yes, a lot of stressful energies, give it to the divine. Sometimes things happen. For some of you, I feel you lost like a loved one or someone, or maybe because of that you have like a guilt feeling that I didn't talk to them. Maybe your family member passed away and you didn't talk to them, and you have a guilt that I couldn't talk to them, that I was not with them. Like some guilt is there. You need to get out of it. It has happened already. Now you cannot change it. There's no use of blaming yourself, no use of being in the guilt, no use of in the past. Nothing will come from there. That is what spirit is saying. You need to keep moving forward, and harmony is going to come, but you need to let that guilt go. No, sometimes we need to give this all worries to the divine and just surrender. That is what your prayers Your desires will be answered, but right now all you need to do is surrender to the divine. Take some time out for fun and get out of your head. That is what I feel for group number 1. Let's see the letter for you guys. What is it? Okay. Enjoy your life. Creative blocks will be lifted. Don't push too hard. When you can't concentrate, take a break and then do your work. Yes, you will make it through. Your exams will be good. Your project will be completed before the deadline. Your family is there to support you. Remember to talk to them. Share your feelings with them. Overcome fear. Don't let fear take you away from your goals. Okay, so that was interesting, right? So yeah, that's all I received for you. Bye bye. Take care, my group number 1. Number 2, if you chose this value word or this green envelope, then this is your reading with me. So I have this letter, I have meditated and I received a message for you guys that I'll read it out later at the end of this reading. I have already shuffled your cards and let's see what is the urgent message for you guys from spirit right now, what you need to know. Okay, so the first, with this value, you need to value yourself more. You need to value your voice. You need to value your truth. And yes, you have something to share to this world. Remember that. For some of you, you need to, like, you might get a chance to speak up in front of people. Don't be afraid to do so. Okay. And you know, there are so many people in this world, all have different opinions, so don't be afraid to share your opinion. Okay, value yourself. If you feel like that, you know, sometimes people say something that we don't agree with, and you don't have to agree with what others say. You can say things that feel that is your truth. Okay, so yeah, that is what I feel like. Don't be afraid to share your voice. For some of you, your singing voice is very healing. Okay, so if you get a singing opportunity or something, like, go and sing. Don't be afraid. Okay, maybe you feel like that, oh, your voice is not so good, or whatever you think. Don't. Okay, for some of you, it's like, if you like singing, if you want to make something, you know, if you want to make a career out of your singing voice, just go for it. Your voice is very healing. And for others, you need to open up more. You know, you need to open up your heart. Your heart chakra needs healing. For some of you have you had toxic relationships where people used to make things that you didn't want to do, something like that. Maybe you were in a narcissist relationship where people tend to control you, and because of that you are so fearful to speak your truth. So here spirit wants you to know that it's time to speak up your truth. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. You need to speak up for yourself. Okay, that is what with this voice I feel like. Don't be afraid. Speak up for yourself. Value yourself more. Don't let other people take advantage of you. Okay, look, awakening presence. The universe is with you. Wear a clock of protection and love. So the universe is with you. Yes, the universe is protecting you. Okay, you are protected, but you need to, like, for some of you, you need to have a spiritual practice. Like, you need to meditate with white light. Maybe maybe there are people, you know, sometimes other people's energy affect us. For you guys, I feel with this card coming up, maybe there are people who are jealous of you, or maybe they are trying to control you. Okay, so it's important you do a spiritual practice where you sage yourself, or use Palo Santo, or do spiritual baths. Okay, that is very important. And for some of you, with this blue color I'm getting, you will get clarity very soon. Okay, you will get clarity. Universe is giving you signs and symbols. You will get your answers very clearly. So just open up your heart. Okay, listen to the universe, listen to the signs, trust your intuition. Okay, that is what I feel like. Trust your intuition, love yourself, value yourself, and protect yourself. But universe is definitely protecting you, but you need to protect yourself. The blue color might be of importance. I don't know why. Yeah, blue color, that throat chakra. Definitely, that's the thing. Yes, you need to speak up your truth. For you guys, throat chakra and heart chakra, I'm feeling here. For some of you are closed off. Your heart center is closed off because of the past things. Maybe you had bad relationships. Maybe people have told you so much that you have closed your heart, it's time to open up to more love, self love. Love yourself, love universe. The universe will give you whatever you want to. That is what I feel. Universe is with you, the spirit has your back. Okay, and yes, you need to open up your heart, throat chakra. You need to speak your truth. Don't be afraid, don't be afraid of scene. Okay, I'm getting, maybe you want to sing but you're so afraid of being, coming into the stage and singing. Just let go of that. Be confident in yourself. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. Yeah, choose wisely. Look, there are so many directions. It's time to choose wisely. It's time to take a path that makes your heart happy. That is, what your intuition is saying to you. Look, this person is meditating, and then only he will select a path. So whenever you get an opportunity, trust yourself first. Okay, trust your intuition, trust universe. Universe is giving signs. Okay, and select a path that makes you happy. So whatever, even if it's a relationship, even it's a career, if you are feeling confused, connect with yourself, meditate, and the thing that makes you happy, the thing that makes you motivated, that you're very passionate to do, just do that. Okay, whenever you want to make a decision, don't take other people advice. I'm getting, you need to trust yourself first and then take the first step. Okay, trust yourself, value yourself. Look, we have foundation and achievements. So for some of you I feel you will get into a relationship, and this relationship will be very good. If you're single, I feel like someone is there, someone will come into your life. If you have already not met this person, you will meet this person very soon, I'm getting. And with this person, you need to share your thoughts, your feelings. I feel with this person you will have that conversation that you never had in your life with anyone. Okay, for some of you it can be a friend also, I'm getting. Okay, so yes, someone is coming into your life that will make you understand that you need to understand that you are of value. Okay, remember that. But I feel this person will make you love yourself more. Okay, for some of you, you might have already met this person, but definitely I feel like someone is coming. I don't know, I'm getting this energy that someone is coming in your life that will make you fall in love with yourself. You will be you will yeah, that is what I feel. You will be falling in love with yourself. Maybe you haven't never loved yourself, but I feel in the coming in the future, you will value yourself, you will love yourself more. And for some of you, you have like different choices, different people are there. You will select the right one, I'm getting. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, you have a lot of you want to marry someone, and you're getting a lot of proposals or something, and you will be like, yeah, you'll be trusting your intuition and you will make the right decision, I'm getting here. And this will lead to a very happy home life. Yeah, you're meant to have a happy home life. I don't know what is happening. Okay, so you're meant to have a very happy home life. Look at the rainbows. Yeah, rainbows comes after storm, right? So now your life is going to be very, very colorful. Okay, and look at the colors here also. I'm getting these two colors, like this voice, and I don't know why, but I'm feeling the same vibe here. The rainbows, there is yellow, there is orange, there is violet, there is green, little bit of blues, right? So that is what I feel like. Your voice is very important, guys. If you're singers, go sing. Okay, you have a healing voice, I feel like that. And yes, you're meant to have a very, very, very stable home life, I feel like that. You will be achieving the things. If you're a career path also, if you're very confused, you will choose the best one that will give you that stable life. Trust yourself more than others. Okay, yeah. Oh my god, clarity, consciousness again. Traveling, for some of you, you might be traveling somewhere. Okay, for some of you, you might be traveling because you will get a job somewhere else. Okay, yeah, wow, interesting. Or for some of you, you will post some songs or something in social media, or maybe it will reach a lot of people. That can also happen. Wow. If you're singers, I feel like that you need to take that first step. You need to believe in your voice. You need to believe that you will be able to achieve. First, you need to believe, then only you will make it happen. Believe in magic and then see the magic. If you don't believe in magic, you will never see it, right? That's the thing. And look, with this consciousness, lot of clarity is coming your way. Choose wisely. You will be choosing the correct thing. I'm getting that. Your universe is with you, and you will be, just trust your intuition. When you trust your intuition, you will choose, you will go in the right direction, because a lot of consciousness, your consciousness is expanding, you're growing, you're evolving. For many of you, it's a spiritual development. I'm getting with this traveling card. You're mentally going to a next phase. Okay, your perception about life, about things is completely changing. So if in the past you didn't value yourself, I see in the future you will be valuing yourself more than anything. You'll be loving yourself, you'll be taking care of yourself, you'll be taking care of your own career, your relationships, you'll be taking care of the people you love. Okay, and you will be, I feel this, for this pile you will be working on yourself also, on maybe on your anger. I'm getting that also. Maybe you have a little bit of anger, I don't know. I'm getting that vibe also. You will be working on your anger issues. You'll be working on becoming a more good person. I'm getting that also. Okay, that is also coming through. Yeah, you will face all the challenges. Yes, whatever challenge will come, you will rise above the challenges. You're gonna make the correct decisions and move towards a very stable career or stable home life. Just you need to listen to your own intuition, because with this Ace of Swords and consciousness, your consciousness is expanding and you're getting the answers. So trust universe. Okay, you will able to overcome every challenges. Okay, I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah, without challenge, how we will learn the lesson? We need to learn the lesson. How agar, if how I used a Hindi word agar, I don't know why. I'm sorry. So if we don't have challenges, right, how we are gonna expand ourselves, how we are going to learn the lessons, how we are going to become a better person? If we don't have challenges, how we will better ourselves? There is something needed, no? Right? We need that. If everything is straight road, what we will learn? Right? There should be ups and downs, otherwise life is going to be so boring. That is what I feel, otherwise we will be just if everything is straight, everything we are getting, then life is going to be so boring, right? We will not have any passion, we will not overcome our fears, right? We will be like same things every day, right? So that is what I feel. Like environment. Okay, yeah, heart center, very important. Heart center I'm getting. Connect with nature, spend some quality time with nature, and look, the number 444. 444s are maybe your life path 4, I don't know. I'm getting that vibe. Life path number 4, you like stability a lot, and you will get it. Remember. Okay, but you need to ground your energy also. Connect with and connect with nature, connect with Mother Earth, Gaia. Okay, whenever you feel stressed, connect with her, meditate or take a walk in the nature. That will give you so much of peace, I'm getting here. And green color, again, you got this green here, right? So I feel like you need to work on your heart center. Okay, that is the message here. Spread seeds of love and creativity and see them blossom. Yes, it's time to plant the seeds. You will see it, you will see it bloom. There might be challenges, but definitely you will overcome all the challenges and you will reach your goal. You will blossom. Okay. What else? Yeah, again, intuition. You need to listen to your intuition with this Raymond. Look, listen to your intuition to receive a message from the world of spirit or a friend. Okay, so definitely your universe is with you. They are giving you a lot of signs. Your intuition is so strong. Connect with Mother Earth, Gaia. You will receive your intuition. Look, with this consciousness, with this the awakening presence, and with this environment and Raven, I would say trust your intuition more than anything. Okay. Right? Connect with yourself and you will know your answers. That's it, group number 2. So let's see what else is last, your message here. Okay, whenever you feel like you can't stop to feel negative or can't stop to overthink, just run. Okay, if you don't like meditating, running will help you. It will clear your mind. Take small steps, don't be in a hurry, protect your vibe, don't let anyone take advantage of you. Use your intuition when trusting someone. Again, intuition here. Your intuition is very strong, guys. Okay, so that's all group number 2. Bye bye, take care. So my group number 3, if you choose shine word, then this is your reading. I have channeled a message for you. I have meditated on this and I received a message that I will read it later. Okay, and this word also I received while meditating for you guys. Shine word, and this is your cards. I have already shuffled, so let's see what is your urgent message from spirit. Okay, shine. I'm getting this vibe that you're gonna glow, you're gonna shine. You are someone, you're someone that is so loved by spirit. I feel like that. Okay, your spirit guides, your angels love you. Remember that. And with this shine, you are gonna not only shine, you will you will shine. Of course, you are gonna shine, and you will give that that energy to other people also. I feel like that. You're such a positive soul. I feel like I'm getting with this why you're gonna shine. You're gonna shine bright like a star. Let's see what is your message. Okay, caretaker. Okay, I'm getting this Cancer vibes. Maybe you are Cancer sign, Cancer sun, moon rising, or maybe you don't have to be, but with this caretaker vibe, you take care of people. You always you're very kind. You're the mother. Even whatever your gender is, you are the motherly energy. Who likes to take care of people, who is very compassionate, who is very kind, who will do other people work first, and then only they will think about themselves. You're that kind of people. For this this card is coming out, and I'm getting the thing. You need to take care of yourself first. You need to spirit urgent message from spirit is that do do some self-care routine. Okay, and that is what I got. Take care of yourself first and then others. First you need to fill your cup and then give it to other people. Okay, you might be those people who will give food, for example, if you're making food and there are guests coming, you will give the food to other people and you will not have anything to eat, right? So it's important that you save some food for yourself first and then give it to others. That kind of energy I'm feeling. You need to take care of your body, you need to take care of your health. Okay, you need to take care of your mental health. Don't let other people toxicity take you, because I feel maybe there are people around you who take advantage of you or whatever. I feel you don't have to give in. Take care of yourself, take care of your mental health. It should be your priority. And remember, you're meant to shine. Okay, you're not meant to be a slave or something like that. I don't know, I'm getting that. Maybe people make you do more work. If you feel like that you are not meant to do that work, say no. You don't have to do everything. Okay, take care of your body, take care of your mental health, take care and make self-care a priority. When you will love yourself, that is when you can give more to others, right? And you're very kind and compassionate people, and I understand that you don't like arguments, you don't like fights, you're very empathetic. I know that. Okay, I'm getting that vibe that you're very empathetic, you don't like dramas. Yes, I know, it's okay, but you need to take care of yourself first. Say, if you feel like saying no, just go. Be proud of yourself. Be proud of yourself. You're unique. I have to say, be proud of yourself. That is what spirit is saying. Like, be proud of yourself. Okay, next one. Look, we have Kali Ma facing fear. Major spiritual changes are unfolding. This is your chance to soar. Yes, guys, rise above your fear. Don't be fearful anymore. If you feel like saying no, just say no. If you don't want to do something, say no. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do that. Just simple. If someone is saying something bad to you, take stand for yourself. Okay, that is very important here. And Kali Ma is with you. She will help you. For this pile is like you are going through a massive spiritual awakening. I'm feeling like if you already have spiritual gifts, I feel more you are activating more gifts. I feel like that. Okay, Yeah, that is what I strongly feel. You're activating your gifts. For some of you, your third eye is opening up. Your vision is going to be very, very clear. Your dreams will give you a lot of messages. Take note on that. Okay, there is a lot of love, lot of peace, lot of harmony coming your way, guys. That is what Spirit wants you to know. So take stand for yourself. Don't let other people take advantage of you. You're very, very unique. You're amazing. Okay, and spirit guides, angels, Kalima loves you. You're very nice people. So maybe when we are very kind, people tend to take advantage of us. So yeah, I feel like you're very empathetic also, so maybe you're taking other people energy. So it's important you take care of yourself, like do cleansing, like calling upon Kali, working with her, or like saging, Palo Santo, use that. Okay, that is very important, I feel like. Yeah, yeah, you will be you're a very beautiful person. Okay, you're very beautiful. Remember that. I'm getting that vibe. You're meant to shine. You're meant to give this light to others also. But first you need to light, you have to nurture your soul. So right now it's like you need to nurture yourself first take care of yourself and then others. Make yourself a priority. Spirit, that is the urgent message for you. Wow, recognition and reward. Yeah, of course. Solitude. Okay, if you have been working on something by yourself, if you have been self-employed, or if you have been doing something like learning something, if you have been working, like if you have been planning on an exam or something, like if you want to do some government exams, yeah, something like that. If you have been like some exams, I'm getting exams, you have been preparing for some exams, if you have been learning about some exams, or if you have been working on a project, whatever it is, you will be recognized for it. For example, if you are like planning to write an exam, you will get you will get that exam cleared. I'm getting here. Yeah, you have been learning. For some of you it's like self yeah, you have been working on yourself. Maybe it's like you'll be improving yourself, people will be recognizing, like it's a glow up or a transformation, right? You'll be shining. For others it's like your work career, you have been working on your career, or maybe your YouTube channel, maybe your Instagram, or maybe you want a government job, or maybe you have been working on your career, maybe you want like PhD, or whatever it is. I don't know. If you have been working on something by yourself, you have been self-disciplined, you have been like maybe you have been not going out like you have been doing that hard work. I see you will be getting that recognition. So right now you are feeling a little bit off, I feel like, because things are not happening the way you want, but don't lose hope, because you will be rewarded for your hard work. Be patient. Okay guys, have patience, because your hard work will be rewarded. Okay, let's see. We are the world. Look at the number 10 and 10. You are connected with the universe. The universe loves you. You can manifest whatever you want to do. Manifest. All you need to is believe in yourself. You get messages through the universe. You see a lot of signs through the universe. So co-create with the universe. Do law of attraction. Spirit is saying, whatever you want, you can manifest. You can create a dream life. You can create that life that you always dreamt of. Okay, if you wanted to pass an exam, you will pass an exam. If you wanted like learn, maybe you wanted a higher education, you want to do something related to education, go ahead, you will get that. If you wanted to make your YouTube channel a success, go ahead, you will be recognized for your work, because you have talent. You are meant to shine. You are going to be in the, I feel this pile is like in the limelight or something like that, because we have this recognition rewards, right? Yeah, for your hard work, for your patience, for your perseverance. You will be for your self-determination. So right now, if you're feeling like giving up, no. Spirit is saying, no, don't give up. Don't give up on your dreams, because you will achieve it. It's just a matter of timing, right? And look at the dolphins. And have harmony. Yes, you're going to be very you are going to be in the future. What I see for you guys is like you will have a very happy life. You will not be stressing about the things that you are stressing right now. Okay, if you're stressing about money, finances, in the future you will not be stressing about it. That will not be a concern for you guys. Okay, so yes, you will be enjoying your life. You are in this world to give light to other people, and to have a very very happy life. That is what I'm getting. Okay, you're meant to connect with the universe. You're meant to co-create the things with universe. Maybe you will be teaching. I feel your teachers also. You will be teaching a lot of things to other people, and you will be recognized for that. Okay, so you will have good relationships. That is what harmonious relationships. A very good life, an enjoyable life. You're very emotionally intelligent people. Okay, very intelligent. So yeah, believe in yourself. Spirit is saying, look, we have a lot of peace. I was talking about, yes, you will have the peace, you will have the freedom to do the things you always wanted to do. You will be very strong people. Okay, I am a being of love, and I release all negative energy. So for some of you, if you're stressing about it, as I said, if you're stressing something about something, some situation or anything about if you're stressing right now about anything, what I'm saying, I don't know, I'm so sorry. If you're stressing about it, you will not be stressing in the future. That's it. You will be very peaceful. Oh yeah, you need to surrender. Just surrender. Just give all the worries to the divine. Just that's it. Give it to Kalima. Give all your fears. Yeah, she is the one who releases our fears. All you need to is give all the fears to her. She is here with you at this time. She is helping you to achieve your greatest potential, because you are here to do something big. Okay, you're not here to go do the same thing as others. You're meant to do something very different, and you will be recognized for your work. Perseverance, of course. You need to persevere. You need to be, yeah. And we have the 4 number, stability, security, and look at the green color, right? Abundance is yours. Okay, just keep on working. Whatever you're doing is working. Okay, enjoy life. Flourish by asking for the help of the powerful. Here, you know what I feel like is with this guidance, all you need to is trust in yourself, in your own power, and trust in the higher power. It's like trusting in the universe, trusting in Kalima. That is what I feel. All you need to is to trust in the universe, because you can co-create with the universe. So if you want to ask for help, ask universe, ask Kalima for help. They will give you. They are the powerful beings, right? They are gonna help you. That is what I feel for this pile, with this card. It's not other human being, it's the spirit guides, angels that will help you. Just ask them. They will give you answers. They are protecting you. Just release your fears, surrender your fears. You're meant to shine. Let's see what your message I have channeled. You are amazing. Do you know that? Yes, you are. Remember that. Don't let the fear stop you from becoming the center of attention. You are meant to shine. Financial issues will be resolved. Your intuition is building up. You are gifted, talented, and much more. Don't engage with gossiping or with people who like to gossip. Don't waste your energy. Be you. Yes, as I said, you need to know who maybe you're very empathetic, and maybe some people will come to you. They will say that negative things about their life, and because of that you will take their energy. So move away from those kind of people. Okay, don't waste your time, don't waste your energy there. Group number 3, you're meant to shine. Okay, that's it. Group number 3, bye bye, take care.